Alright, the day has come. What do you guys think? Should we trade in the M5 for another car? Stay tuned and find out. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and for those of you who are new, don't forget to subscribe down below if you do enjoy today's video. So if you guys can see back there, we finally got the car that we're trading the M5 in for. Nah, I'm just playing. I'm not selling that car, but we got the new build, guys. We came to go pick it up, and yeah, just putting air in this tire real quick, and then we're about to head out. All right, guys, so we're home now. We actually got home a little bit ago, but we were super hungry, so we went and ate because we hadn't had any breakfast yet. But here is the new car on the channel, guys. Say hello to the new build on the channel, guys. So this is a 2009 335i. I believe this is the LCI version. I got a good deal on it. The only thing is that it's a crank but no starts. I have no idea what's wrong with the car. As far as I know, it can have a bad engine, and that's pretty much it. I'm done. But I decided to take this risk and, you know, just see what happens. I can document it for you guys on the channel. I can always resell it and try to get as much as my money back as possible. Worst case scenario. But yeah, so we got this car. It's decent. It's not too bad. It's not super well taken care of, but it's not in the worst condition either. It is going to need both front fenders and the front bumper, as well as the headlight brackets and a little bit of a headlight restoration, as you guys can see. But besides that, everything else in the car is pretty much mint. The inside is pretty clean for the most part. I do have the bumper in here, but the bumper is pretty beat up, so I just put it in here to have it. But yeah, this is the inside. It's black inside, as you guys can see. And yeah, for the most part, it's pretty cool, guys. I honestly always wanted a 335 ever since my brother got his, just because it's pretty cool. It's a really nice car, and obviously it's an M54. So yeah, I've always wanted one, never got it. But yeah, you guys can see trunk isn't in the best condition. If we do end up keeping the car, we can always go for like a carbon trunk or something like that. We can even wrap it black or whatever we want to do. We can always wrap the whole car in general. But yeah, so this is the car, guys. 2009 335i. So you guys can see this is the engine. I put these little towels there. I was checking it out right now. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start just taking everything apart. I'm gonna take apart the whole top. I'm gonna take off the intake air box, and, you know, just start looking more like under everything, see how the engine looks and see what could be wrong with it. My brother-in-law was checking it right now. He said it could possibly be like a fuel issue or like fuel pump or something. So I'm gonna go ahead and check the high pressure fuel pump and stuff, and yeah, just go ahead and see how it goes. It is getting dark already, unfortunately, so I'm not gonna time lapse this for you guys. I'm not gonna make you guys just watch me here in the dark work on the car. I'm gonna take everything apart, and then I'll show you guys what I find under that, and that will pretty much be it for this video. Just kind of want to introduce you guys to the new build and get you guys a little excited for what's coming. I'm gonna try to find all the parts slowly but surely. This is again gonna be one of my budget builds, and hopefully it comes out looking pretty cool. If not, like I said, probably try to sell the car and try to get as much of my money back as possible, and just, you know, look for another one. But yeah, so I'm gonna start taking everything apart over here, and I'll let you guys know what I find. All right, guys, so about like 40 minutes later, and this is what we're working with. The car does not look very nice under here, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, it doesn't look like it was really taken care of that good. And if you guys look right here, there's like silicone around that high pressure fuel pump line, and the high pressure fuel pump also does look aftermarket. It doesn't look original. So yeah, that's what we're working with. I'm not too sure exactly what I'm gonna do yet. I might take off the high pressure fuel pump and try switching it with another one, maybe. Yeah, this is what we're working with. This is what happens when you buy a used 335. Anyways, let me go ahead and continue with my little journey here, and I will let you guys know if I find anything new, anything pops up. And yeah, just stay tuned, guys. We'll see what we do with this thing. All right, guys, so I put most of the stuff back on the engine. I put the rest in the trunk, and I put my tools away. I took the battery out because it's like super dead, and I just want to get this out of the way. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it at AutoZone and let them charge it up. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I pretty much just wanted to introduce you guys the new build, whether it was a good purchase or whether we got scammed or whatever. Like, whatever happens, I'm gonna go ahead and film everything for you guys, and we will go through all this together. But yeah, guys, not really too worried. You know, whatever happens, happens. Everything does happen for a reason, and whether we got a really good working car or not, only time will tell. And yeah, alright guys, so like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Let me know what you guys think of the build. I did get it for a really good price, so you know, if the engine or whatever is bad, can't really complain. Like I said, if that is the case, I'm gonna try to sell it and get my money back, or as much of my money back as possible, and then get another build for you guys as well as a daily, because like I said, I'm not trying to put that many miles that quick on the M5. But yeah guys, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think of the car and everything. Obviously I want to get a car that you guys would be interested in seeing on the channel. I don't want to just get something that I want, or something that like, or just get like a random car that you guys wouldn't really be interested in watching videos of. So yeah, just let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, this is gonna be the first episode of a little series with this car. Hopefully everything goes good and I can keep it for a little while, or you know what, just keep it as my daily for good. And yeah, I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, just let me know what you guys want to see. Stay tuned for the rest of the series. Hopefully everything goes good. And yeah guys, with all that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.